Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. It feels like it is England right now. The weather has not been behaving. It's been bleak all week and now it's drizzling when I decided to do my recording. Anyhow, the show must go on and I feel like I'm in a thunderstorm, but oh well, here we go. So I really wanted to introduce this new vehicle. I actually created this video before, but with the loss of the GoPro I also lost the footage. Anyhow, so I'm redoing it. It's not sunny today, but today I wanted to introduce Navi. So we have a 2013 Q5 3.0 Supercharged B8 platform, navy blue, sitting on some big ass wheels. So from the front, as you can see, it has its stance, but what I wanted to introduce was a couple of the features and a couple of things that we'll be working on to get this baby perfect. This is the wife's new whip, or new to her whip, and we just wanted to get a little preview. So similar to my B9, it has the walnut interior, and there are a few little things that I noticed that need a little help, a little tweaking. So one, this vent clip is broken, but the vent still works. And this one has the chrome trim missing. But other than that, everything else is a go. She has already put her touch. It has the walnut interior. It has an aftermarket boost gauge, as you can see there. Has auto lights, and it has heated seats, and what else? It has the navigation package, and I forgot what the surround sound audio is, but it has a massive panoramic roof. But there are some additional perks that this vehicle has, and it's some, I wouldn't say aftermarket packages, but it has the entertainment system. It also has a power lift gate. So if I hit this, the back opens, as you can see. But unfortunately, I can't hit this button again for it to close. I have to go out there and close it. It has power mirrors. It also has memory seats. So it also adjusts the, it has memory mirrors as well. So once you set your seat settings, it also sets the mirrors once you set them, and you're good to go. Anyhow, let's look at the perks. So on the back seat, we have these displays. These displays have their own DVD players and own remotes and headphones. So that looks good. All right. Because it's raining, I'm just gonna make this really quick. It has enough adequate trunk space. As I said, it also comes with a tow. And let's take a look under the hood. All right, let's see what's under the hood. Woo! That is beautiful. We have the USP Motorsports aftermarket cold air intake, the supercharger sitting fat on top of the 6-cylinder block. It's pretty nice. When this baby spools up, it has a nice whistle, a nice winding noise, and I love it. Anyhow, that's the introduction to Navi. I hope you guys like it. And I wish the weather was doing a lot better. I could take it for a spin and give you the sounds, but it's wet weather and I don't want to take any chances of that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, intro to Navi, and there will be many more to come. and see you in the next one. Peace.